Aloha Kauai. Here is our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Wednesday, January 20th. The Department of Health is reporting no new cases today. We currently have 9 active cases. All are in isolation and 1 is hospitalized on Oahu. We have 18 people in health-directed quarantine as close contacts. Our cumulative case total is 205, including 177 confirmed locally, 1 probable, and 27 tested elsewhere but reported after arrival on island. Our police and National Guard personnel are tracking nearly 1,500 people in travel-related quarantine. Our phased vaccine distribution program is active and expanding on Kauai. All patients and staff at large long-term care facilities have been offered vaccines, as have healthcare workers. Teachers and school staff in K-12 and post-secondary public, charter, and private schools, as well as child care workers, have been offered vaccines. Kupuna age 75 and over can access vaccination at our 3 Kauai hospitals, Samuel Mahelona, Wilcox, and KVMH. This week, our focus is on expanding vaccination access to farmers, ranchers, agricultural workers, grocery store employees, and other food production workers. We're also working with residents and caregivers in smaller care homes to ensure they have access to vaccines. In addition to education workers, those working in law enforcement, firefighters, harbors, airport-based personnel, and correctional facility staff have been offered vaccine. These individuals should have received emails from the Department of Health and the Centers for Disease Control providing instructions. If you have not, please complete the short survey at the county's website, kauai.gov/vaccine. Wilcox Medical Center in Lihue is offering the Pfizer vaccine to adults age 75 and older. Vaccines are by appointment only. Walk-ins will not be accepted. Please register at wilcoxhealth.org/vaccine, and a representative will follow up with you. The hospital has scheduled appointments for its existing supply of vaccine, and will reach out to those who have filled out the online form to schedule appointments as confirmation of additional vaccine shipments comes in. Kauai Veterans Memorial Hospital in Waimea and Samuel Mahelona Memorial Hospital in Kapa'a are offering the Pfizer vaccine to adults age 75 and older. As at Wilcox, appointments are required. To register, please visit kauai.hhsc.org. Thus far, we've administered more than 6,000 vaccines on Kauai, which represents about 10% of the Kauai residents old enough to receive vaccine. So far, there are 2 varieties of vaccine on our island, the ones developed by Pfizer and Moderna. Both are very effective vaccines. Other vaccines are in development, and a few are near release, so there will also be other options in the future, although the timeline is not known. The Department of Health is managing the vaccination program in partnership with our hospitals. CVS is providing vaccination to residents in long-term care facilities. Pharmacies at this time are not providing vaccine on-site at their pharmacies. Vaccines are being offered to specific groups with pre-registration at hospitals and at the Department of Health Vaccination Center at the Kauai War Memorial Convention Hall. We anticipate there will be more vaccination opportunities as more vaccines arrive on our island. If you are in one of the targeted groups, you will be notified by your employer or industry groups about when and where to go for your vaccine. We will continue to keep you updated as more information is available. The kauai.gov/vaccine website has up-to-date information about vaccinations on Kauai. Meanwhile, whether you've been vaccinated or not, it is important to wear masks, keep distance, and avoid large gatherings. Thousands of our fellow residents remain at risk of infection, and it is possible that even if you are vaccinated, you may still be able to pass the disease to vulnerable neighbors. The County of Kauai, in partnership with the District Health Office, is providing free COVID-19 testing for Kauai residents in high-risk industries. Those eligible include employees in the visitor industries, individuals who travel to Kauai with an approved modified quarantine, and first responders and county workers with authorization from their supervisor. Testing is available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the War Memorial Convention Hall in Lihue. No appointment is necessary. Visitor and hospitality workers should bring proof of employment in that industry, such as a work ID, pay stub, W-2, or letter from employer. Individuals traveling on a modified quarantine exemption must provide proof of their modified quarantine approval from the state or the county. First responder agencies and county workers should bring an approved authorization form from their supervisor. If you are sick and think you should be tested for COVID-19, please call your primary care provider who can conduct an evaluation. If you do not have a primary care physician, call the Wilcox Hospital at 808-462-5430, option 3. As Mayor Kawakami says, mahalo for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to
stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask, if at all possible for you to do so. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another, God bless, and aloha.